In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to Indeed. This is a vital skill if you're looking to stand out in your job applications or showcase your resume in a format that's both professional and easy to read. Including a PDF can make a huge difference in how potential employers perceive your application. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First, make sure you've got the PDF document ready that you would like to upload. This could be your resume, a cover letter, or even a portfolio that highlights your previous work. Take a moment to double-check that everything in your PDF is accurate and up to date. Remember, first impressions matter a lot. Once you're all set with your PDF, head over to the Indeed website. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account. The process is simple. Just click on the Sign Up button, enter your basic information, and follow the prompts. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. After you've logged into your Indeed account, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here you'll find various options, including a button to create or manage your resume. If you're starting from scratch or want to add your PDF to an existing resume, you'll see an option to upload a new resume. Click on the Upload Resume button. This is where the magic happens. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to browse your computer or device for the PDF file you want to add. Navigate to the location where your PDF is stored. This could be in a folder on your desktop or somewhere in your documents. Once you've found your file, select it and click Open. Now that your file is uploaded, you should see a preview of your resume on the screen. Make sure that everything looks right. Check your formatting, spelling, and any other details. This is your opportunity to make sure potential employers see you at your best. There's a good chance that Indeed will automatically parse the information from your PDF. This means it will extract text from your document and populate your online resume profile. However, it's crucial to review this information. Sometimes, technology can make mistakes. Ensure that the sections such as your work experience, education, and skills are accurately reflected. If something seems off, you can manually edit it right there. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, scroll down to find the Save button. Don't forget this step. If you don't hit Save, all your hard work could go to waste. After saving, your PDF will now be associated with your Indeed profile, and employers will be able to view it when they consider your application. After saving, you might want to take an extra step. Indeed allows you to share your resume directly through job applications. When you apply for a position, you will have options regarding how to submit your information. Make sure to select the option that allows you to use your uploaded resume. And that's it. You've successfully added a PDF to Indeed, making your application stand out among the myriad of candidates. As simple as it sounds, taking the time to ensure your resume is professionally presented can make a significant difference in your job search journey. As we wrap up this tutorial, I want to remind you that having a PDF on hand is just one piece of the puzzle. Tailoring your resume for each job you apply for, following up on applications, and networking can also play crucial roles in your job hunting success. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more great content. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your job.